Hi, today we are working with if statements. So we have a preset graph right here, this turtle bar graph that was made. Notice the blue outline with the red inside. Um and our question just asks us to modify this graph a little bit. So here, let's just we'll go down to the question. Is modify the turtle bar chart program so that the bar for any value of 200 or more is filled with red, values of 100 and 200, between 100 and 200 filled with yellow, and anything less than that um filled with green. So we go back to our code. um so the original turtle code was just the definition for draw. Like I said, it was pre-made. um Really all I had to do was this fill color with the height. Do a definition for it, do a little helper function, and in that, to before the fill color, or before the fill, we define the fill color as if height is greater than 200, fill with red. Else if height is less than 100, fill with green. Else, so if it's neither of those two, then it's gonna fill it with yellow. And just throw that up here, test dot fill, or fill color. And the code stays exactly the same. What I've learned is these helper functions are everything. They will really seriously get you um the biggest shortcuts possible. So we're gonna run this code right here. I always put speed 0, but um just to speed it up a little, but just for this video, we're gonna slow it down a little so we can see it in action. Oh, see, less than 100, so it's green. There's yellow because they're in between 100 and 200, and red because it's over 200. Okay, so just like that, with that little modification, of adding that extra helper function definition, fill color, and then adding the fill color to the draw bar. Quick and easy like that. So something long and complicated, um, made easy with the helper functions. Anyway, thank you.